What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. If you work hard, grind hard, you'll finally reach your destiny. I love my destiny. Hopefully you guys can reach yours. We're trying to reach there together. Shout out to everybody watching. Without further ado, you already know what we're talking about, you dig? What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see in front of me, we're here talking about these bad boys, some more Kyrie 5s. They keep coming out with some more and more dope colorways. This one has been out for a while. I finally get my take. You guys get to see what I think about these. A lot of you guys out there have been asking me to review this shoe, as well as a lot of you guys actually add these to your collection. So without further ado, let's get into this box and let's see what these things are talking about, you dig? Before we get into this box, I just want to give a special shout out to Get Money Athletes, gmathletes.com. Go ahead and check out their apparel, lifestyle fitness apparel, pretty dope. It's where I got these shorts from that I usually wear during my performance reviews, as well as some of the on feet. Go ahead and check them out. Thanks to them for sponsoring this video, you dig? Now we can go ahead and get into business the right way. The Kyrie 5, typical box, same thing, same bad channel, same bad time, just a different situation in the box. You feel me? Black and white, Kyrie 5, Oreo colorway. Some people call these the pandas, some people call these the Oreos. And like I said, a lot of you guys have been requesting for me to go ahead and review these so you guys can get my opinions on them. And without further ado, as you see the box, my face just lit up because these things are pretty dope, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I really think these might be the March Madness edition, because these are the shoes that came out during the tournament, but there are some Mamba mentalities coming right around the way. So I don't know, are these the March Madness ones? Are these just the colorway that came out? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section while I get the other shoe out the box, you dig? Finally, at last, we have these things in hand. Like I said, these were highly anticipated, coveted. A lot of you guys want to know my thoughts on these, and firsthand, having them in hand, they are dumb fire. Dumb fire. This material right here on this fly trap, I think it's a typical cloth material. However, it looks like a denim. It has a denim type feel to it. From a distance, these look like some black denim on the front and back part of the shoe, or whether the fly trap area and the back part of the shoe. All white upper with that. You have the all white upper mesh, right? But there's a layer of black underneath the mesh that you can faintly see, which gives it even like more of a darker tone, as opposed to it being all white up here, like the Kyrie 4, Uncle Drew's, or even the Kyrie 5 BHM that had an all white mesh. This has a white mesh with a black lining underneath it, which is dope. You got the plated Nike swoosh on the outside, black Nike swoosh on the inside, which would have been dope if it was 3M. I always like the little 3M laces, or the 3M hints laces, or other Nike checks. Not on this shoe, still fire though. This black kind of marble outsole with a little bit of gray hinting or white hinting in there. Fire shoe, bruh. This right here is definitely, I don't know, bruh. Maybe this is strong 8.5 out of 10. Like maybe even a 9. I want to know what you guys think. Comment down below what level this shoe is at, man. Is this one of the better Kyrie 5s out? One of the weaker ones? Let me know. It's very simple, white and black, so it goes with pretty much anything you want to try to put on. I'm not mad at the majority white upper, even though you know I don't like to do that because it's hard and too much a headache trying to keep the shoe clean, even though there's a lot of great shoe cleaners out there, which I won't promote until I get a little deal or something with them. But there are a few good ones out there. Go ahead and check them out for yourself. These bad boys are not bad at all though. I'm really liking this fly trap area. I'm telling you, the fly trap area, the lacing system, along with the back heel cup is where they do all their little designs, add the little pizzazz to the shoe. I'm glad this came out with a black outsole, midsole, easier to wear a few times and not really have to see where your dirt came from, you know what I mean? If you're wearing these things on court, I'm pretty sure they're fire because the material, the rubber that they use on the bottom, the outsole, is very clean, bro. Very clean. Feels like it might have like a good amount of grip to it. Maybe we'll get an on performance view with this. We will get some highlights, the up close visuals of this shoe, plus the on feet. Let me know your detailed thoughts, man. I really want to know. That's why we do this here. Once again, shout out to Get Money Athletes for sponsoring this video. We're about to get out of here and do the on feet plus the highlights. Give me all the feedback down below, man. We growing, we trying to get there. We got a lot of haters watching, trying to stop what we doing, but we gonna keep grinding. Without further ado, let's get out of here, you dig? Peace.